So now we're going to work example 3B on slide 5. And its directions are actually on slide 4, just above example uh, A. So what I did is I summarized what we're supposed to be looking for and I wrote them right here. Okay, so we want to identify the slope and the y-intercept of the graph, interpret what they mean, then write the equation in slope-intercept form and use it to solve the problem. Okay, so if you put me on pause, go ahead and read question B and then come back. So question B is the chairlift descending from the top of a mountain. Its height in feet, and obviously it's a linear equation, so we know the highest power is going to be 1. And it takes, well, let's say, I don't know, a little bit after 7 minutes to reach the bottom of the mountain. And the question is after 2 minutes, where are we as far as the height's concerned? Well, let's analyze the graph first. And we see we have 2 points, a point here and a point here. Always read graphs from left to right. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and write these 2 ordered pairs down. So my first ordered pair is 0, 5400. And my second ordered pair is 4, 2400. That'll be 0.1 and this will be 0.2, which means we are given x1, y1, x2, y2. And can I pretty much tell you, anytime they give you 2 ordered pairs in any form or fashion, just go ahead and find the slope. You're going to need it. Okay, so here we go. We're going to find the slope. y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So y2 is 2400 minus 5400. And we're going to do 4 minus 0. Okay, so we do the math, and looks like it's going to turn out to be a negative 750, which kind of makes sense because you're going downwards, so it's going to be a negative number. All right, so we now have a slope, and our slope is m equals negative 750. And we have a y-intercept. Okay, so b equals 5400. Okay, so we really got everything we need, so we could go ahead and find the slope-intercept form. We want to use this form, which is y equals mx plus b. So y equals negative 750 x, and it's plus 5400. All right, we got everything we need, except did you pick up on the fact that it said a function in the actual word problem? It said the height of the lift chair can be modeled by a linear function. So let's change this to a linear function. Take your y and change it to f of x equals negative 750 x plus 5400. All right, we're ready to go ahead and now plug in 2 seconds. F of 2 equals negative 750 times 2 plus 5400. Now, put me on pause, find me an answer, and come back to me in just a sec. All right, so if you did the math, f of 2 came out to be 3900. And if we go back to the graph and we run this all the way up to here, and then we run it all the way to right about there, that looks to be about 3900. So it takes us 2 minutes to reach 3900 feet. All right, so in a minute, I'll go ahead and help you with question 8, and we'll be done.